This is a 52-inch Craftmade universal hugger ceiling fan that is installed in one of the bedrooms at the Cedar Stone Lodge. It's an antique brass finish, and when I first saw this fan I thought it was a quorum because it sort of looked like one, but then I sort of circled around it a little bit and I found that Craftmade logo, so then I knew it was a Craftmade. So I'm going to demonstrate it real quick. Beginning with low. By the way, we're here tonight because of a Christmas party. So I'm getting a lot to eat tonight. And by the way, all the rooms in this lodge, have different names. This is called the fishing room. There's another called the 4th of July room, another called the Harley Davidson room, and another called the John Deere room. You know, they just have different names, and there's another called the Sunflower room. But unfortunately, I can't film the fans in those rooms because the doors are all locked on them. Really, the only reason that this door to this room is unlocked is because people can put their coats on the bed. Just leave them there. So, anyway, here's medium. There's medium. Here's high. Moves a good amount of air. Makes a little clicking noise and doesn't wobble. So it's a pretty good fan. And it especially moves a good amount of air for a hugger, because not very many of these huggers move lots of air because they're flush mounted. So I'll give you a top shot of it while it's running on high. Okay, shut it off. That is it. That is the 52-inch Craftmade universal hugger ceiling fan installed in the fishing room at the Cedar Stone Lodge. So I hope you